2-Minute
Tuesday. After gluing up all of our chairs, we noticed we had a slight problem. I think this is a problem that's not uncommon to a lot of workshops where during the glue up process or somewhere along the way, dents and dings happen to the chairs. So we're going to show you how we fix this. We couldn't have done this if we had done a pre-finishing with poly, because poly is not nearly as forgiving as shellac. You can see on this corner where there's a couple of dents. That's from the clamps that were on the leg as we pulled everything together. There's a way that we can seemingly magically reduce those dents and bring them back to the surface. I'm going to use a white cloth, a little dampness, and an iron to bring up the grain in those areas. The iron allows me to concentrate on just that area where I've got the problem. And apply heat just to those areas. So that's brought up almost to where I need it. It is lifting a little bit of the shellac, which is okay because I can redo that. And I'll go to this bottom one. A little bit more on this one. And a little bit on the side. So all that's left to do is to do a little bit of stain, not much, and 2 more coats of shellac, blending that into the previous shellac, and it'll be back to good as new. So why does this process work? What happens is the water soaks into the cells of the wood that aren't actually cut, they're just smushed together, and allows them to swell and expand. So the wood is then restored and the dent is pulled.